Hello, my name's Rachel, and this is my assignment. Katami National Park, which is in Alaska, is very interesting. Animals play an essential role in maintaining a healthy environment. Among other ways, they help with pollination, pest control, and climate control. The most important role various animals play in Katami National Park is keeping healthy plant communities. Salmon play an important role in the ecosystem. They provide food for bears, bald eagles, rainbow trout, and directly or indirectly for other creatures that forage along the streams. Salmon also enrich habitats through the cycling of nutrients from the ocean to freshwater streams. Insects and such help animals with helping pollinate or disperse seeds. They also supply nutrients when they die. Animals also help clear brush and prepare growing conditions for plants. This can easily turn into a situation where a particular plant species gets out of control, eventually causing a loss of biodiversity. But thanks to these plant-eating animals on a landscape will act as a balance check. That ensures any one species doesn't get out of control. The importance of this animal function can be seen in habitats where the plant-eating animals become locally extinct or imbalanced, causing the environment to be dominated by lower diversity plants. Animals also help plants through less direct methods by improving the overall quality of soil on a landscape. As animals eat the flesh of plants, those nutrients also go through a composting process that unlocks and recycles fertility back into the landscape.